trucks. There's Mommy and Ella. So we're headed over to load up some junk concrete and then go dump it somewhere where he can use it for erosion control in the ditch. Let me drive in there with the dump truck.
Oh, okay.
And park right there, and then maybe Caleb can get right here, and then the excavator can just sit like this.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
And load from the back end.
Yeah, load from the back.
Okay.
Caleb did a little cleaning around the house. We're going to try to get all that in there with that. I think it's going to be a hybrid of handwork and mechanical work. If you get some of that small stuff first, we'll put that in the bottom and just fill the bottom.
Okay.
And then we'll put the heavy chunks on top of that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. It's not trying to drop any big pieces on.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to run up in there.
Up like that. I don't know.
I can get in there and throw stuff in.
Yeah, we can just throw it in.
I probably won't. It's like, I think it's like 320 gallons.
Rick's been doing a lot of cleaning back here, and he found all this concrete and debris. He's been cleaning up lots of junk, and there was a dump pile back here in the woods. He's got it all cleaned up now, so get the rest of this in the dump truck and see if we can get it dumped.
So
I'd like to try them. These are,
use them as long as you want.
well, I gotta get in the woods. What are they doing? Is that a massager thing or something? What? Oh, you're gonna want the bucket.
Does that roll over the cab?
Where'd it go?
Over the hood? Something break or?
I don't know. Bucket fall. You might be able to get behind it.
I've never had that happen.
Yeah, I don't know. Up a little more. Well, now pinch your thumb. Try lifting up a
See
little.
it now. I was watching you. I didn't even know I could see it.
Okay.
Think I got it good enough to go out?
Yeah. Just go. I think you got it.
I wouldn't want to stand under it.
I doubt it. Yeah. That's why you don't stand under the bucket.
Just make it like a 3/4 time.
Are they human?
No, this one got.
I think you just pick it up with your hand.
No.
Pick it up.
Who's gonna pick it up? Who's the brave one?
How soon it?
It's been dead a while.
It has.
Something's
Oh,
been
yeah.
gone on it.
But who knows who put his mouth on it soon? Phone.
Yeah, there's a kind of a neat skull back there.
Where?
Whole head skull.
Where? Where?
Back in there. Way back.
Come on, Boney, let's go. Wait. Where?
We got one last chunk of concrete. It's getting dark. It broke. All right. Good. That'll work. Good deal. Well, obviously it got a little dark on us last night and I wasn't able to get that concrete all dumped. Fortunately, I have a friend of mine that's willing to take some old busted up concrete because he's trying to do some erosion control in a ditch close to his house. So we're going to haul it over there and drop it off for him. That's a major screw up. The chains were set on the tailgate. They should have been open. Oh man. I'm going to try to drive forward and slam on the brakes, see if it'll move. The tailgate chains were set when I tried to first dump it, and they caught and got real tight, and then a bunch of concrete went up against the tailgate. I got that side off, but this side is still caught. It's all tight, and the concrete is up against the tailgate. That's a screw up on my part. I'm going to try to drive forward and slam on the brakes again to see if I can release the tension. And it's so close. It's a good way to get your finger chopped off, or your hand. And that was just dumb on my part. Dumb. Hey! I think I got it. All right. Back to your normal programming here, I hope. Boy, that could have been a lot worse. I'm glad that I was able to get that chain released and get that dumped. But I wanted to show you what Jack uses all this stuff for. Jack has been doing a great job of utilizing old junk concrete to fix up the banks of this ditch that is on his property and slow down some of the erosion that happens in the curves on the ditch. You can see where he's taken junk concrete before and placed it along the bank. It just keeps gradually eating its way out into the field where you don't want it. He's also got some concrete placed along this side through that curve. So he's got concrete lined along much of this ditch bank. We are very grateful that he's willing to take this concrete. Thanks a lot, Jack. All right, I think I'm gonna jump in the truck and head for home. The wife's got supper ready, so thanks for checking out the video. We'll see you later. Take care.